Alrighty, to set up our project today, you're going to click Create a New Document. You're going to type your last name first, and then either earrings or keychain, or earrings, whichever one you're doing. You're going to make sure you've selected the GMS Technology Education folder and hit Open, and then go ahead and create it inside of there. Now we need to create a sketch on the front plane, and we're going to push the N key for the front view. I'm going to choose a corner rectangle, and I'm going to start in this corner and go up and over. I'm going to hit Escape to get rid of that tool and push D, or the dimension tool, and I need to make this 2 inches tall and 1.5 inches wide. And these, I hit Escape, these are going to be construction lines. So I click on the line, I hit construction, and I click out here. I click on the line, I click construction, and I click out here. I click on the line, I click construction, and I click out here. I click on the line, I click construction, and I click out here. Now, if you're doing a keychain, you're ready to design your keychain. If you're doing the earrings, you're going to need to click the line tool, find the center square here. You can see it right here, the little square. And I'm going to click down, hit Escape. I want to click on the construction line. So click the line, click construction, click out here. Now I can use this line as a mirror tool. When you're finished, don't forget to screenshot it, put it in your Google Doc, upload it to Canvas, and if you want it made, you have to hit share and add my email address right here. Good luck.